All right, so for this video, what I wanted to do is we had a customer reach out to us and they actually stumped me with what they were trying to do. And so I just figured out how to do it, and I thought this would be a great idea to basically share this video with you guys. And I hope that you guys don't run into this issue, but if you do, this is how to fix it. So this is the first time that I've logged into this LivePigeon account. I'm actually gonna sign in with Facebook. So from here, it says LivePigeon would like to post to Facebook for you. But notice that the default is on friends. I actually want to make sure that this is public. For those of you that might just go ahead and click OK on your friends, the problem is only your friends will see your post through LivePigeon, which is problematic because if you want people outside, just basically public, to see your content, you need to make sure that public is selected. I don't know why friends is the default, but just make sure that public gets selected and then go ahead and click OK. Yep, OK. All right, now I'm ready to actually be publishing my content and it's going to go public. Now, I think where some confusion is, like let's say I only selected friends. Well, if I go live now, there's this little disclosure triangle at the top of basically any video title and description will give you the option of how you want to display your stuff. You know, do you want to go show it just to friends, friends of friends, or only me? But you have to have had the other one set to public for this video to actually be able to go live. Anyway, there's a little confusion here because if friends was selected on the previous one, even though this is set to public, it's not going to go out to public. It'll only go to friends. But what I wanted to show you is I can actually go to Facebook here and I can actually go to my settings, and then right here on the left under business integrations, if I click on that, then we've got LivePigeon that shows up in the active business integrations. And if I click view and edit, this is all the stuff that LivePigeon has access to be able to do. And right here, this business integration visibility and post audience, you'd actually click on this, and this is where it might be set default to friends, and we want to make sure that that is actually set to public. So I just want to make sure that this gets set up correctly. Sometimes we'll click next, 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 just because we want to get in. But we definitely want to make sure that if that got actually set up to the wrong place, that we want to make sure it gets set up to the right place. So that's how to do it. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now every time I go to post, everything will go public now at this point going forward. So that's it for this video, you guys. Now again, this stumped me, and I want to make sure that you get your messages out into the world to the right audience. And again, my guess is that you want to go public with it. And so that is how you do it inside this troubleshooting video. And until next time.